Welcome back to the V-Twin Racing Syndicate. Today I am super excited. We've got a video that I've literally been waiting months to do and show to you guys. And that's because we've been waiting on a brand new Stealth exhaust. We ordered it back May 15th and now we have it in August. It finally got here. COVID, all those kind of things kind of delayed it. They had a 4 to 6 week order time on the exhaust. Took a little bit longer than that, but now it's here and I'm ready to show you guys. Let's get to it. Let's get this box open and see what's inside. Nice little stainless steel coffee cup. Maybe you could use it for like a Moscow Mule or something like that. Got a carabiner on the side, pretty cool. Stealth t-shirt. Stealth pipes patch, the patchy looks like it's on there. Some cool Stealth stickers, lots of goodies packed in here. Let's get into the actual exhaust. We got the muffler tip welded on Stealth badge. Man, it's looking slick. First view here, right down the center. Bracket and the main exhaust, the headers. Ooh, look how clean that looks. Look at those welds. Super excited to get this on the bike. Been waiting quite a bit for this. The lead time said 4 to 6 weeks. It took like 2.5 months to actually get it. But Steve at Stealth really pulled through and made something dope. Let's get everything out of the packaging. Get the bracket out, get the muffler out. Stealth pipes. Woo! I can't wait to see what it looks like on the bike. Let's get this old exhaust ripped off. We're going to start by taking off both the saddlebags, and then we're going to work our way back from the mufflers all the way up to the engine, taking the exhaust off. Get off the muffler clamps first. There's just one like clamp on each muffler and then one on the crossover pipe. And then from there we're going to move on to the 2 bolts that hold the mufflers to the saddlebag supports. Once you get those off, you can pull your mufflers off. I took the left side off and left the right side on just because it seemed easier to just pull the whole exhaust off that way. Up next, it's time to pull off the heat shields. There's 3 separate pieces. So there's one kind of where the pipes go together, and then there's one for each individual header. It's just a screwdriver or a small socket. Pop those off. Don't forget to remove your O2 sensors too. You don't want to be yanking on those, thinking that your exhaust is stuck, and pull and break those. You can see right here, I dropped the rear bolt from the floorboard just to get clearance for that exhaust. And it comes right off. Hang on, before we get to putting the new Stealth exhaust on the bike, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. It's right there. Over 95% of our viewers aren't even subscribed. So get down there, hit that subscribe button. There's gonna be a whole bunch of content coming out. A lot of stuff on the Stealth pipe, how we're gonna tune the bike, sound clips, all that good stuff. So do that right now. Let's get these new headers on. I'm gonna grab the O2 sensors and I'm gonna twist them all the way to the left and then screw them into the header. Kind of a neat trick so you don't have to unplug the O2 sensors and then they're all bound up. Get the header on, just kind of fit all the alignment. We've got the 2 exhaust studs on each exhaust port there. There's one bolt at the very bottom where the headers mount to the frame. You're going to reuse the stock bolts for all of those. And then we're going to get our exhaust flanges, get those up there, screw them on just really loosely, just so we can start to get the fitment. And from here, we're going to work from the motor back to the muffler. So kind of in the opposite direction of what we did to take the old exhaust off. You can see here, I already put the bracket on the muffler before I slid the muffler onto the headers. And then that bracket attaches to where the old crossover tube went. You're going to reuse your stock hardware for that too. Now everything is loosely fit from the exhaust port to the headers, to the muffler, to the bracket. And we're going to go through and start tightening everything down, starting from that direction again. So exhaust studs, and then our mount there at the bottom of the engine, and then our muffler and our bracket. And then we're going to go through and then we're going to torque everything after that. Now that we have the exhaust all on, there's one more step before we can turn it on, and that's to degrease the pipe. A lot of our fingerprints and the oils and all that kind of stuff get all over the exhaust, especially on something that's bare metal like the stainless steel exhaust. So we're going to wipe all that off with a good degreaser. If you don't have degreaser, just use at least some kind of cleaner. Don't just leave them with fingerprints all over them. I'd suggest not using something with wax. That probably wouldn't be good, but I use the WD-40 cleaner and degreaser. Works really well on a lot of stuff. First startup, let's hear it. Turn the bike on, turn the radio off. With a good cold start, you're probably not going to burn yourself, but I like to use the rag just in case. I'm just checking for exhaust leaks there at the exhaust port, and then where the muffler attaches to the headers. Now make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, all that kind of stuff, because we're going to be doing separate videos for an exhaust comparison, see what this stealth pipe really sounds like, and of course, how are we going to tune our motorcycle now that we put a new exhaust on there. So hit that subscribe button, stay up to date for all those videos, and I'll catch you guys next time.